Let's be honest, you want the pro gear, but your bank account says absolutely not. So I dug through Amazon's deepest corners to find 10 cheap tools that work exactly like the premium stuff. No talking head, no fluff, just results. Number 1. Keer Heavy-Duty Folding Workbench. Imagine setting up a workbench in 30 seconds. No tools, no assembly, just pop and go. That's the Keer Heavy-Duty Folding Workbench. It holds 1,000 pounds. Let that sink in. You could park a small car on this thing. The surface is massive. And those 12-inch clamps? They lock in horizontally or vertically. Your workpiece isn't going anywhere. Here's the beauty. It folds flat, slides behind a shelf, under a bed, or into your truck. Perfect for garages, job sites, or apartment balconies. Rain, sun, dust, no problem. The polypropylene body won't rust or dent. Aluminum legs keep it steady. Is it a fancy French cleat workbench? No. But for under $100, you just saved $300 and 30 minutes of assembly. Number 2. StayGeek 4-in-1 Scriber Marking Line Ruler. Stop juggling 3 different tools just to mark one line. The StayGeek 4-in-1 Scriber replaces a ruler, a protractor, an angle finder, and a drill guide. All in one hand. It snaps to preset angles. 15, 30, 45 degrees. Twist the ABS knob and you're locked in. No slipping, no guessing. Need a longer line? Splice the extension on. Now you've got nearly 30 inches of continuous marking. Perfect for cabinet doors or wide panels. And here's the killer feature. Those adjustable blocks let you mark horizontal and vertical holes at the same time. It's basically a cabinet hardware jig without the $100 price tag. Aluminum body, laser-etched scales. It won't fade or bend. Premium brands charge $50 for less features. This, $39.99. Your layout just got faster. Your mistakes just got fewer. Number 3. Quark Solid Angle Plate Set. You don't need a $200 machinist square to verify a 90-degree cut. Meet the Quark Solid Angle Plate Set. 2 precision ground steel triangles. One is 30, 60, 90. The other is 45, 45, 90. Made from hardened 1045 steel. That's the same stuff high-end machinist tools use. Ground flat, ground square. Use them to set up your table saw, calibrate your drill press, check a weld joint, or just leave them clamped to your fence as a repeatable stop. Each block has 4 drilled holes. That means you can bolt them down to a jig or fixture. Permanent accuracy for under $20, $17.47. The premium version costs 3 times that for the same hardened steel. Stop guessing, start measuring. Number 4. StayGeek 34-piece carpenter pencil set. Stop buying single pencils that you lose in 5 minutes. This StayGeek set gives you 34 pieces. Let me repeat that. 34. You get carpenter pencils, mechanical pencils in 2 sizes, colored leads, a carbide scribe for scratching metal and tile, long nose marker pens that reach into deep holes where normal pencils can't go, 2 levels, an eraser, and a waterproof canvas pouch to hold it all. The mechanical pencils have extended tips, 45 millimeters long. That means you can mark inside a mortise or behind a pipe without repositioning. Premium brands sell you 1 carpenter pencil for $8. This whole kit costs less than a sandwich and a coffee. You will lose pencils, that's a fact, but with this set, you won't care. Number 5. DFM Toolworks Small Square and Center Finder. This little blue square fits in your palm, but don't let the size fool you. The DFM Small Square does 2 jobs. Job 1, it's a precision 90-degree square for checking edges and corners. Laser-etched markings, machined aluminum. Job 2, flip it around. That V-groove and center hole turn it into a center finder. Press it against any round stock. Pipe, dowel, rod. Stick your pencil in the hole. Drag. Now you've marked dead center in 1 second. Premium combination squares cost $45 and won't fit in your pocket. This is $26.45. It's small enough to forget you're carrying it. But once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever marked center without it. Trust me, buy 2. You'll lose the first one. Number 6. WorkPro 10-piece wood chisel set. A single premium chisel costs $40. For 1, this WorkPro set gives you 6 chisels, 1/4 inch up to 1.5 inches. Chromium vanadium steel, 28-degree bevel edge. But here's the smart part. They include a double-sided sharpening stone and an adjustable honing guide. That's $30 of sharpening gear alone, for free. The handles are rubberized, non-slip. And that nickel-plated strike cap? Hit it with a hammer. It won't mushroom or crack. You also get 2 carpenter pencils and a storage case with blade guards. No bloody fingers. No lost chisels rattling in a drawer. Premium wants $200 for this kit. WorkPro, $24.19. Buy the set. Learn to sharpen them. You'll never need another chisel. Number 7. Spear & Jackson Carpenter's Block Plane. Spear & Jackson has been making tools since 1760. That's over 260 years. They know steel. This is their 9.5-inch block plane. Cast iron body, precision milled base and faces. That means it's flat, dead flat. The cutter is low angle, 1 5/8 inches wide, perfect for end grain, perfect for one-handed operation, trimming miters, shaping chamfers, flush trimming dowels, fully adjustable mouth, brass adjusting screw, smooth, precise, satisfying. Premium block planes from Lee Nielsen or Veritas cost $150. This is $31.99. Is it heirloom quality? No. But for the price of a pizza, you get a real cast iron plane that takes a wicked sharp edge. Number 8. DeWalt Screwdriver Bit Set, 40 pieces. Cheap bits, strip screws. Then you're stuck drilling out a broken head. Frustrating and slow. This is DeWalt's 40-piece Flex Torque set, $21.57. The bit tips are CNC machined. That means they fit screw heads perfectly. No wobble, no cam out, no stripped screws. See that twisted section in the middle? That's the Flex Torque zone. It absorbs torque spikes so the tip doesn't snap. Magnetic screw lock sleeve holds the screw for you. One-handed driving. No drop screws behind the water heater. Impact rated. Use it with high torque drivers all day. HVAC, electrical, plumbing, carpentry. This kit covers everything. Clear lid, clip latch, fits in your pocket. Buy cheap bits once, buy DeWalt bits once. Number 9. Saker 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Square Ruler. Most squares measure width and length. That's it. This one measures in 3 dimensions. Width, height, and depth, all without repositioning. Laser engraved scales on every edge. They won't fade or rub off. Hidden angle pin locks at 6 preset angles. 22.5, 30, 45, 60, 67.5, and 75 degrees. Click, lock, mark, cut. Anodized aluminum. Corrosion resistant. Wear proof. It also doubles as a drill bit sizer. Stick your bit in the hole. Instant size check. Premium multi-angle squares cost $80 and take up half your tool belt. This is 4.4 inches across. $19.99. Fits in your palm. Does the work of 5 separate tools. Small square. Big brain. Number 10. 90-degree clamp. Gluing up a picture frame? Welding a square cart? You need perfect 90-degree corners, every single time. This aluminum right-angle clamp holds your work tight while you glue, screw, or weld. 5.5 inches on each side. Big enough for cabinet doors, small enough for drawer boxes and picture frames. Look at the front. Laser engraved scale. Metric on one side, imperial on the other. No guessing, no measuring tape. Just set your board and clamp. Premium corner clamps from Woodpeckers or Bessie cost $70 to $100. This is $37.98. Same cast aluminum, same right angle, same result. Squeeze the boards in, check the corner, walk away. When you come back, still square, every time.